Glass-lined steel reactors are built on more than 50 years of tradition in engineering and design. Tried and true, these vessels are available in a variety of sizes and models to meet your specific processing needs. Some of the main components to a reactor include the mechanical seal, agitator and baffles, jacket, and the bottom outlet valve. Building from the traditional designs, Dietrich Process Systems provides a number of enhancements to upgrade your equipment and optimize reactor performance. OptiSeal is a carbon-free, dry-running mechanical seal that eliminates contamination from seal face wear or barrier fluids and provides durability for today's demanding manufacturing environments. OptiMix is a patented design, integrating the 3 baffles on the vessel wall to improve the mixing performance and cleanability of glass-lined reactors. Our hemicoil jacket provides excellent heat transfer and better temperature control of the reactor. Combining both innovations, the new OptiMix HE circulates the thermal fluid in the hemicoil jacket through the baffles, increasing the heat transfer area by up to 25%. Glass-lock agitators maximize process flexibility by allowing blades to be installed, removed, and changed to various styles. Individual blades can be replaced if they become damaged without disrupting the mechanical seal, reducing downtime and minimizing replacement costs. The clean valve is a glass-lined bottom flush valve, allowing for a variety of functions without the need to interrupt the process or dismantle the valve. This easy-to-clean, self-draining valve is ideal for applications where batch-to-batch cleanability is important. DDPS can take things a step further by designing, engineering, and supplying a complete system around a single piece of equipment. Overheads of glass, glass-lined steel, and other materials are available in a variety of arrangements, including condensers and columns. Solid handling equipment can be added for contained charging and transfer. Temperature control modules can be incorporated to deliver reliable temperature regulation, and our in-house automation and controls group can provide cost-effective, user-friendly control systems. In many cases, factory-built modular systems reduce overall project costs and time versus plants assembled in the field. This specialty chemical production plant featured OptiMix reactors, tantalum overhead condensers, contains solid charging, heat transfer modules, and automation and controls. After assembly in our facility, DDPS performs documented factory acceptance tests with water batching prior to shipment. Combined with installation and startup support, this significantly reduces the time between equipment arriving on site and starting production. From equipment enhancements to comprehensive modular systems, Dietrich Process Systems has the right solution for your application. Contact us today so we can get started helping you achieve the results you need to meet the challenges of your business.